This is the final video to fix NVIDIA DSR not working after the Windows 11 24H2 update. Are you frustrated because dynamic super resolution stops working, leaving your games at lower quality than before? This usually happens because the Windows update resets NVIDIA settings, conflicts with your graphics driver, or disables DSR options in the control panel. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall drivers multiple times, tweak registry files, or use complicated software, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes NVIDIA DSR quickly and safely in just a few simple steps. First, we'll make sure your NVIDIA driver is fully updated to the latest version compatible with Windows 11 24H2. Then we'll reset and re-enable DSR in the NVIDIA Control Panel. And finally, we'll adjust the scaling and refresh settings so games recognize DSR properly. This method works on almost all NVIDIA GPUs, keeps your system stable, and doesn't require technical expertise. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to restore DSR and get higher quality visuals back, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy sharper, smoother graphics in your games without any DSR issues after the update.